So since you guys have been loving these hooks, I mean, look at this. That one's got 9,000, that one got 2,900, 5,000. I mean, these hooks have been getting us going crazy with the like 8 grand, like, god damn. These hooks are going crazy. These ones right here. If we go to the next one. This one is doing really well. These type of hooks that you guys have been loving, these typography hooks. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to get these engaging typography hooks. And make sure to stick on through this entire video because this video is going to change the way you create typography hooks. And if you guys like these new kind of vlog type of videos, like, dude, look at the fit I'm wearing right now. Yo, what the fuck? What the fuck? This is what I wear, guys. If you ever wonder, this is what I wear 24/7 under this nice ass t-shirt. Some clean pajamas. Well, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So to make an engaging hook, you need to follow this like kind of rule of thumb that I like to follow each and every single time I do my videos. My camera's a little fucked up. There we go. And what I like to follow is basically one, is that there is a zoom. I mean, I can turn this layer off and you'll see in this one, you can see the before and then here's the after. Like,
creators, you don't
huge difference. Because you can see in this video too, when I play it, there's no zoom. It doesn't really add a lot of like spice to the video. Same with this one. There's not really any like zoom. Like, I don't think you guys realize how much a zoom actually plays in part with making an engaging typography hook. So make sure that you are using zooms to your full advantage when you are making these typography hooks because they play a huge factor in them. Now, the next thing I like to do to make these typography hooks very engaging is use some kind of flash transition just to, when the viewer is constantly scrolling, I like to kind of make something that's bright or flash because when you really think about it, like when you get out of bed, let's just say in the morning, for example, if a bright light hits your eyes, you're gonna be like, whoa, you know, like, whoa, you're gonna kind of have to like stop, think a little bit. It really takes all of your attention and all your thoughts in your brain go exactly to that. So that's kind of my mindset on why I like to use these transitions. It just kind of breaks the scroll. Not everyone always uses them. So just something to consider when you are making these videos. It's really a no-brainer. And the next thing, obviously, to make a very engaging high typography hook is your font choice and also the effects that you're putting to it. You can see that in this video, I actually really love this kind of, this shine effect that's on it. That's what I like to call it. It's my shine effects. And all these like these animations, you can see like this animation kind of like slides up with a blur. Same with these right here. You can tell like that really smooth cinematic kind of animation that editing does. It really brings a kind of like a type of like high quality feel, and that's really what's going to make that viewer keep and stick in watching and make it highly engaging. Now, you guys can just easily come over to my graphics and templates and then just drag and drop, let's just say, one of these shine effects. If you go in the link in the description and grab the Captions FX Pack, and we can basically recreate this really quick. I'll just come into here and go properties. I'll do editing, editing, editing. I need to have the exact same font. I also have all the fonts that I use, and the only 15 fonts you'll ever need to use in your entire career in that pack also. So it's really just a no-brainer. It saved me countless hours and it does for everyone else. And I don't have to ever think about it ever again, but I'm pretty sure it's this Apple Garamonts. If I do that, yup, wow, I got it right away. And for this green effect, let's just come over here, go to the green, and you can see that's not really. The way I like to do this is you come over here, it's kind of like weird, but it looks really good. You have to bring this up to like a darker shade, and for some reason, it like allows this to look 20 times better. I don't know why it does that. I think it's just Premiere Pro, but you have to keep messing with it, and you'll see in just a little second. Like you can see already now it's kind of getting darker. Let's just bring it up a little bit more. Like see now you can say, yeah, it looks like that. But if I want to get it exact, obviously I can just come into here, find the editing. So it's this one right here and copy the color just like so. And now I have the exact same color and it looks like I upped the glow. So we can just up this glow just like so. Maybe bring this glow radius down and boom, we basically have the exact same effects. And I can just bring this down and now we have like the exact same thing.
hate editing.
Just like that. That was easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's how fast these take to make. So the last thing I like to use is by using adjustment layers to do harsh zoom ins on your video. So I'll show you right here. This is a good example. What I'm saying, I match it to very strong words just to make the point go across even more. So for instance, I say hate here, so
hate editing. You hate how long editing
takes. Like, I make sure that these are all zoomed in on those very important words, and it just punches home every single time, and they're super easy to make. And the way you can do it is pretty simple. You can search up a scale or a transform, make sure use transform, and then just come in here and put the scale to like 115, 105 or something. I have all mine in my zoom pack, which I use to create all these zooms in just seconds with a one simple click process that essentially saves me so much time that I can't even think of. I'm sure I would be probably 80 years old now if I didn't, wait, what the fuck? So if you wanna learn how I edit short form videos of this high quality in under 3 minutes, go look at this video right over here. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.